natin. So pawis na pawis tayo. Basang basa. Balik natin to. Dahil binabypass nila to. Hirap. Nagka-interesan tayo guys. Ay nako.
Boy.
Bye.
Yes, boy.
Some people buy like jealous, no?
What happened?
Why remove the wire?
Which one?
How wire remove?
Which wire remove? Which wire
How
remove?
wire remove? Bye. This one remove. This is current transformer. That's why error 1144.
Ah, okay. But
Okay.
here showing only 4 only showing.
If one of this one, because this one 3-piece supply,
Okay.
and this is current transformer.
Uh-huh.
So if remove one,
Mm-hmm.
problem, error here. It's not good. Why? This one before how many days working this one? Long time. Why?
No time not running. Only before yesterday I switch on.
You switch on, then running.
Yeah, running.
What time you on?
I own around 8:30
8:30 in the evening?
evening. Really?
Why? This morning, you on or off? No touch. Have one, remove. Maybe you on only, then you go.
No, how come, man?
This one running,
Yeah, running. I know that last fan no, also noise too much.
but why you remove the wire?
I don't know who removed, man.
Yeah,
Here,
check out.
here
check
our
out.
friend also
Now,
too much.
now okay, right?
Wait.
Now okay.
Okay. Here by our too much friend, Hyrox, no?
No, it's not Hyrax. Because Hyrax cannot remove this wire.
Cutting only.
Then lose connection, no? Maybe
No.
lose connection, maybe that's why remove wire.
Possible was connection by. Because this one clip now. I will show you in the
No, that wire also clip, no. That one also sometimes.
yeah, clip. But this wire came out. That's why alarm because this one lost.
Yeah, lose connection. How many reasons? One controller, another one sensor, lose connection, and the gas.
Sensor.
No another.
No, sensor is already bypass.
Yeah, already bypass.
I
Gas.
I bypass there because I doubt because small wire there and here is big one. Maybe rusty they cut. I testing here still, but I confused. I directed.
I still compressor not. Why that one hot mode? No, cool mode. Cool mode or hot mode?
Huh?
Cool mode or hot mode?
Ito ang full mode, no?
It is that. See now compressor is. Fan not running, no.
No?
No, not running fan.
Huh?
Fan not running. Last one.
That's one?
Yeah, last one.
That one maybe that one is problem. But it's not the cause for the alarm. Off?
Oh, no, wait. Have it tried.
Hard?
Carrying.
Huh?
Carrying.
Ah, di rin ba? Error.
Huh?
Error. Very hard. No, after that one, problem. Teacher, how many motor?
Motor 3, no?
3?
3.
Disconnect that one.
Disconnect.
Oh, because it will getting high ampere then alarm.
What?
That's 5 piece on out of the morning.
Who owned that one?
Huh?
Who owned and holding on this one? This one water going direct out of the
Ab
Huh?
can remove there easily?
Yes, remove.
Huh?
Can remove this sensor also.
That one maybe no, this one before.
No.
This one. All cut. All cut. Why not?
Bypass.
You need to shoot, huh? Because that one seems so. If you direct, no resistance. But this one have resistance.
No need to
If
bypass.
switch, okay. But that one is resistance, no?
Mm-hmm.
Resistance only. Very hard, right? Only one, right?
Right.
Yeah. Which wire? This one. We will disconnect here.
Sabir, give me a screwdriver.